Hi, I'm Kevin Freidt with Caleffi North America, and this is the PresCal Compact 533H pressure reducing valve. It's ideal for controlling water pressure in smaller plumbing systems, for example up to about 10 GPM demand with the 3/4 inch valve and about 6 GPM with the 1/2 inch valve. The inlet has a union connection with NPT, sweat, press, or PEX tailpiece choices, and the outlet connection is female NPT. It comes with or without a pressure gauge, and it includes a tamper-proof cover that hides the set point adjustment screw to minimize tinkering after installation. The removable cartridge is surrounded by a stainless steel filter screen for easy cleaning or replacement. And this PRV is approved to ASSE 1003, CSA B356 for Canada, NSF 61, and NSF 372. It also meets plumbing codes UPC, IPC, NPC, and IRC. The competitively priced 533H is one of the most recognizable PRVs in the world. There are literally millions of these installed in over 60 countries. That's a quick look at the PresCal Compact. Thanks for listening.